This is a re-upload for archival purposes of my older content. This video was originally uploaded to Experimental Madness in 2017. See the full story and description.
Okay guys, so today I'm going to be making a drop tower with a PVC pipe that is just at the side of our house. And I'm going to stand it upright, make a releasing mechanism where I can pull a string and make it release. And have a camera inside a shoebox with a candle inside and see the effects of a candle in microgravity. The astronauts in the International Space Station are in microgravity because they are constantly falling towards the Earth, but they never actually reach the Earth. They just keep looping around it. My experiment will hit Earth, so that means I've only got about a little bit more than half a second of microgravity. So I'm going to be using a high-speed camera at 240 FPS. That way I have more seconds of time to look at, and it makes the video look a bit more cooler too. When you light a candle in gravity, it has buoyancy, but in microgravity it doesn't have any buoyancy, so it shrinks. Okay, this is test number 2. This time the camera is recording at 240 frames a second, with the candle a bit more closer, and the gap in the lid closed. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I got the camera back. You might not be able to see this, but it is covered in wax. There's wax in the button, and it stopped recording just like that. So I don't know, it's stuck on 8 minutes 12. So let me just see if I can. No, I can't do anything. Push that button, nothing. It says it's still recording, so I'm just going to turn it off and see if it read it to the card. It won't turn off. I'm going to have to take out the battery because it's not working. There you go. Screen's not functioning. Retry power on. 102, that's actually normal for some reason, but it does that all the time anyway. Oh, there you go, it's working. Let's watch the video. This file cannot be played. Yeah, okay, I'm going to have to try that experiment again because my camera lost its footage. Oh, it didn't like how it was supposed to. Wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Good. Wait. Now. Okay, so my camera is covered in wax. That was expected, but it's still working.